So I have some random models and I want to use in this video of rib. Okay, so how to use rib is actually adds thin wall support. Rib is actually the support between, you know, with connecting with the solid body. So first of all, for rib we need some sketch. Okay, so here you can see I have this plane. First of all, I have to create one plane in between of this where I want to give the rib. Okay, so I want to give the rib in between. Okay, between of this model, just click done. I created the plane, right click, sketch. So just click the sketch, here it is. Okay, I have given this sketch, escape, done. So sketch is created, right? Just hide the plane. I have a sketch and models. Just click rib, and here is once you click the sketch, here you can find, okay, how to give in rib like 10 mm. You can see, you can change like 10 to 20 how width of this rib, and the thickness side should be first side, this both side, and the second side. So it is better to give first side first. First time extrusion directions are there like parallel to a sketch and normal to a sketch. Here you can see, once you click this parallel to a sketch, the arrow down will be down, this arrow will be down. Once you click this one, you can see the down arrow would be this side. Okay, so here's the option like, normal to a sketch and parallel to sketch. Once you click the parallel to a sketch, so the rib will be created in downside. Here it is in between of these two L size. Okay, and here you can see flip material size. You can give up or down. Okay, here is the given option for drafting systems. Counters options are there. Once you click done, it will not create. The reason is that the resulting rib did not intersect the existing model. Please try changing the extrusion direction to fix the problems. Okay, the problem is the line, this sketch must be touch with this. Okay, once you click right click, edit sketch, and try to connect with this model in this line. Okay, once you click this control and click this edge, and here is the option like pierce. Just click pierce and done. So this edge is connected. Now click this control, this line, and pair. Now we have, here you can see the black line. It means it is fully defined. Just click done. Now click rib, click this one. Here is the downside, just 10 mm thickness. Just click yes. See, now the rib is created. Okay, right click, edit features. You can give the thickness more. Okay, one side, okay, or mid side, which side you want to give, you can give. If you want to give some draft, it is better to give draft like outside. Once you click untick it, the draft will be created inside. Click this, draft will be created outside. Click done. Here you can see one draft is also created. Okay, it's 7 degree. So this is actually the rib, how rib is created here. Okay, right click, sketch, and I want to create some rectangle here for cutting this. Done. And I want to cut with using this sketch. Okay, done. And if you want to create the rib here, we can create the rib very easy. Okay, so there are so many kind of rib we can create. One is to create the rib to support this L size models. Okay, and once we can create the rib from this side also, L size. Okay, so we have to create the like plane, and then we have to create the line. So the rib will be, we can create the rib here also, or just sketch here only one line. Done. Go back to rib, click this line and click done, and here you can see the rib is created this side. Right click, edit features, one side. If you want to give, then it will create one side with a 20 mm thickness. Okay, so this is the actually thickness from here to here. Okay, this is the thickness, 10 mm. Okay, or if I give 5 mm, so the rib will be created with 5 mm. Arrow side is this side, so from here to here it will create the rib. It will create downside. If you give the downside, the rib will be created downside. The rib is not bounded, so some, the line is already selected in this face. So make sure that the sketch should be suitable for this kind of rib. Okay, when we create, so it is only possible to create this side or another side. Okay, see, here is the rib. So in this way we can create the rib, right? So now right click, delete, and I want to explain you about wrap. What is actually wrap? So in wrap, first of all I want to create the one plane. Okay, in this plane, if you want to sketch anything, just try to sketch something like NCKU. I want to change the patterns to 12 for big size, and here I want to create NCKU. Just click it done, and here is the NCKU. If you want to wrap on this model, okay, then it is to wrap by using these features. Here you can see the wrap. Just click this. This is already selected, and here is the selector which face you want to wrap it. Okay, you can just click. Okay, then it will wrap. Here is the option like emboss, deboss. Deboss means cut the part will be cut, and emboss means it will extrude. Okay, and there is a thickness. What thickness you want to give, just click done, and here you will have, see, NCKU is wrapped by using this sketch, right? Even you can use the circular model in circular cylindrical model, so it will wrap around the cylindrical model. So this is the very beautiful features to wrap anything's name, logo, anything's, okay, in the cylindrical system also, because sometimes you will see like just sketch the circle, cylindrical. If you want to write some name here, okay, you cannot write directly, but once you create the plane, okay, plane, okay, so I've created one plane here, and now by using this plane we just give some name. Okay, again I want to write NCKU here, and it is very small, right? So just click, untick this one, go to font size and change this font size to 15. Okay, So just click this. I'm just giving you the example, okay, how to create this kind of names by using grep on cylindrical body. Yeah. Just click yes, and here it is. The name is already mentioned here. Okay. It is showing wrong because I've selected the wrong side. This plane, that's why. Okay. Otherwise, this is already created. Just go to the wrap and click edit features, and once you click deboss and deboss to how many what thickness should be there, just click done. Here you will have option like it is debossed. And see the cut part is cutted like 12 mm. See part is cut by using this sketch. So this is the way to use wrap. Now I want to explain about intersect. So for intersect, again I want to use one sketch. Okay, top plane, then, and I want to use some okay, click done. Actually this is for example. Just go to the surface, and surface I want to create the surface. Okay, both sides, yes, click done. So I have one solid cylindrical body and one sketch in between them. Okay, if you want to intersect by using this surface, so we can use one features like here is the option intersect. Once you click this, here they will ask body and sketch, right, and click intersect. So it is intersect, and once I have just clicked intersect, there one more options will be created like preview options, which region you want to keep. This one if you untick, so only this model will be here. You want to click this one also. Okay, so down model will be created like this. So this is the way actually we can intersect it by using the face. So here you just click once you just here you can see actually the part is right click and just click edit feature. The reason is that here you can see the merge result in options. Just untick this one, okay, and click done. Now you can see this two body easily. Okay, just right click, delete. Okay, you want to hide this, you can hide, and you can see you will have only this part. Okay, so this is the way to create intersect, okay, by using this intersect body. Now I want to explain about, just go back, click, delete this one, delete this surface also, and here you will see the option instant 3D. Okay, in instant 3D, once you click this one, then you will have option, okay, to just change the solid model by using instant 3D. Okay, so here I'm changing the diameter and everything. See, I have changed, right? And once you click this, here you can see no need to go back in 2D and sketch, modifying a sketch. Here only you can change everything about diameters, what features you want to change, you can just change it. Okay, now here you can see the option here is actually not showing, so just go to the insert features. Here you will find the option DOM. Okay, once you click this DOM and click any edge of this circular part, once you click this one, you can have the DOM option. Okay, by using this distance, just click done. See, the DOM is created. So here you can see the DOM actually. See the circular part. Okay, so actually the circular part is, this body is very big, so you have to give the more value to visualize this. You can see DOM is created. Okay, if you have some other values like constant point or sketch or direction, which direction you want to give. Okay, so actually I've selected this. Once you click this one, okay, direction, click this, so DOM will be created like this. Okay, and options are there like direction you can change from here. Once you click this one, so DOM will be created downside. See how DOM is created. Flip up, create this. See, DOM is created. Right click, select this, delete, and according to this face DOM is created. Okay, see. And if you want to sell this one, so this whole body with DOM, it will be sell. The body will be sell, like just give 2 mm. See, where is sell? Okay, body is sell with according to with DOM also, right, like this. So okay, so this is actually the DOM. Now here you can see some more options are there in features like Freeform. Once you click this Freeform, you have to click any body where you want to create. Freeform means, by using any face. So by using Freeform, okay, you can just while using this mouse, okay, you can just modify the face, like add curves. Okay, flip direction, so the flip you can change the directions, and again you have to click the add curves, so it will go down. And now click the add points. Once you click add points, so what lines you have, curves you created, okay, it will create. Now once you click this and again you click add points, okay, now you click any point, and by using this, okay, you can just select the face. See how face is selecting, face is changing, right? Again you click this point, okay, and you can change the face. See, okay, and click done. Now see, by using this Freeform, the face you can change. Yeah, it is actually the solid, see, solid body.